About this item: 2.5mm connector compatibility, Mr. Rex replacement audio cable compatible with Bose QuietComfort 25, 35, 35, 35II, Series 2, 45, QC25, QC35II, QC35, QC45 SoundLink, SoundTrue Bose headphones, JBL E45BT, E55BT, E65BT NC, 750NC, Everest 700 Elite, Duet BT, Duet NC, Live 650BT NC, Live 400BT, Live 500BT, 950NC JBL headphones, AKG Y55BT, Y55, Y50, Y45, Y40 headphones and more. Other headphone with 2.5mm jack port, 3.5mm connector compatibility, 2.5mm to 3.5mm cables. The other side is compatible with your Samsung Android smartphone, MP3 MP4 player, tablet, laptop, PC, and more other I/O devices with 3.5mm jack port. High quality material for clear stereo sound. Rex stereo audio cable is made of oxygen-free copper and 24K gold plate connector, ensuring high fidelity sound quality and providing maximum durability. 135-degree angle reducing tear and wear. Special degree design, metal connector, and dual-layer connector cover for longer lifespan in daily heavy-duty use. Inline mic and control and Velcro cable tie. Cable connectors and microphone control box are covered by zinc alloy casing, which make this Mr. Rex replacement cable more classic and more durable. Included reusable Velcro cable tie keeps your headphone replacement cable well organized and tidy in place. What you get: 5 feet/1.5 meters, 2.5mm to 3.5mm auxiliary audio cable and reusable Velcro cable tie, and 18 months worry-free warranty.